On Thursday, May the 4th, people from around Wales will be going to the polls for the 2009 European Parliament election. Jill Evans has been a member of the European Parliament for Plaid Cymru for the past 10 years and has campaigned tirelessly on issues such as gaining international support for Plaid's campaign against the electronic tagging of sheep, supporting local food suppliers and farmers markets, and securing recognition for the Welsh language.
As a Plaid Cymru member of the European Parliament, I've worked with colleagues in other parties in the Parliament to get recognition for minority languages, those languages that don't have full official status at the moment. After a long campaign, we've won co-official status for Welsh, recognition of the Welsh language at the European level.